What's up, YouTube? It's been a while. Been lacking on my videos. And sadly, I even took almost a week out of the gym. Seems I lost my motivation there for a while. But finally got the fucking shit back. Went to the gym tonight and killed it, like I always do when I'm there. And I'm sore as shit. But the funny thing is, pain is only temporary. You see, many people are so scared to get in the gym. They're so scared to put themselves out there because they don't want to feel the pain. They don't want to go to the gym. They don't want to get hurt. They don't want to be sore. You see, most people don't. They don't want to feel the agony of their muscles aching day in and day out. Yet they'll settle for their bones aching when they're 40 or 50 from inactivity. They will settle for less than what they deserve. You see, I saw a quote today online that I really loved, and it's something I would love to live by, and I am going to start living by. You see, it said, it's better to be sore tomorrow than sorry. Now, what that quote is saying is, it's better to wake up and have your body be sore from the gym than it is to wake up and be sorry that you did not go. It is better to wake up and be sore than it is to wake up and be sorry about the situation you put yourself in. You see, we all have a choice in life. We choose to get out of bed. We choose what we do with our time and our lives and our days. We choose the activities that we want to do. We choose who we hang out with. We choose the gym we go to, the workout we do or do not do, the food that we eat or do not eat. We have a choice. You see, pain is only temporary. You will always feel pain, whether mental or physical pain. You will always feel pain, whether it is from someone dying who is close to you, or whether it is from a workout or an injury. You see, you will always feel some sort of pain. There will always be something in your life that will hold you down, that will make you feel terrible. There will always be pain in the world, whether you lose someone or something, whether you choose the wrong choice and have to live with it, whether you choose to go to the gym and give it your all, or whether you choose to half-ass it. You see, the choice is yours. That's why we are all born free. We live free and we die free as long as we so choose it. We have the freedom of choice for a reason. We were put here not to live by somebody else's rules, not to live by their choices, but by ours. So if you choose pain, choose the right kind of pain. You see, many of us choose the wrong pain. We choose the pain of the mundane. We choose the pain of doing the same shit every single day. And that is not how life is meant to be lived. You see, we choose the pain we put ourselves through. So it doesn't matter what you choose or who you choose to give you the pain. Make sure it is worth it. Do not feel pain from a source that you would not give your all to. You see, we feel pain sometimes when it is unnecessary pain. It is pain that we give to ourselves. You see, the pain that we give to ourselves is the wrong kind of pain, because that is the pain that will ultimately end us. You see, we must choose wisely when it comes to our outside forces that navigate through us. And I'm sure a lot of people think that my videos aren't the best. They might say, why do you record them in your car? Because I'm on my way home from the gym and I have a lot on my mind. These are my late night ramblings. Why do I repeat myself? Why do I say pain, pain, pain through this whole video? Because I am trying to reiterate into your head the ideal of pain. Because that is exactly where it sits. That is exactly where it is manifested, and that is exactly where you can extinguish it, is your head, your mind. You can overcome pain, but you can never overcome weakness and wrong choices. You see, when you choose the easy route, you are sent down a spiral into the worst experience of your life. You see, be the strongest you can be of yourself. Become a better version, a healthier, more painful version of yourself, because through pain breeds strength. Done.